What's up, my lovely people? Welcome back to my channel for another video. As you can see, I'm here in the kitchen. Yes, may I cook some curry chicken, dumpling and banana. One of my favorite food. Yes, I love curry chicken. Yeah, I love it. Whether with dumpling and banana or with rice, I love it. Love curry chicken back, curry goat, all of them good stuff there. Oh yes. Alright, let me show you what I do. Actually, I'll go peel the banana now, put it in the pot with the dumpling. Alright. So when me done in the kitchen, I'm going to sit down and have a little mukbang and talk with you guys. Alright. So watch me finish peel them banana, yeah. Alright. I peel banana, but banana is something I love to peel though, but I never leave back something in the skin or something. Never peel banana in proper yet, but that's all. So I want it to do it, right? Yeah, because I'm actually love eating it as well, so I have to do it. That's a perfect banana peeler. Never broke them up. Nah, like, never broke up the banana them. I'm going to cut them right or what? Yes, dumpling them there in the pot. Well, a boil up. Yep. See my banana them. Yep. Can't wait. Yep. Oh. Let us see. We're going over here so with the curry chicken. Can't wait. Yep. Nice. Yeah. So I'm just away upon them to finish cook and then join around the table. Alright. So guys, my food is ready now. Yeah, see the steam. Ooh. Yeah, so go share out this and meat. Yes guys, so as you can see, curry chicken, dumpling and banana is finished cook. So I'm gonna get down in this. So you know, before me eat, I have to pray. Alright, so hold on. Yes guys, so they can see that I say curry chicken, that's something I love, and curry chicken back, curry goat, all of them something there. Love it. And curry chicken actually is something where Jamaican people love. You find like 90% of Jamaican people love curry chicken or curry back or so on, you know. Nice, and because of me cook it, but yeah, it's good. Hot. Yeah guys, I'm gonna talk about yesterday. I actually did watch YouTube, and then you know, our next video start play right after the video when I watch finish and never click it off. And there's this YouTuber and she was talking, and she was really talking some truth, you know. We was practically talking about waiting on your turn and stuff like that, and she was basically saying sometimes you see somebody you think that them have it all. You might look on them life from the outside and feel like, oh, them have the perfect life, them have the perfect kids, everything in them life perfect, but you don't know what really go on inside. You don't really know what deep and them are struggle through, you know. And I was there listening to her, and she was actually making some sense about some stuff, because more time we see people who idolize them, we think them perfect, you know. And she was actually talking about her channel and about what she actually started, and she never think she'd have reached the place where she reached with her channel. And I was there listening to her, you know. A lot of the things what she said make sense, make fact. And it's true, because most time you think so, you see somebody like her now, like she was saying, she was one of them when her channel want to reach that far and stuff like that, and you're looking at this person and you idolize them, or you're jealous of them because they want what them have, but you don't really know what they go through for have it, or what they are still going through. So I was saying what she was saying actually makes sense, you know. When I start YouTube, I actually start like uploading my works from my clients here. That's on my other channel, Denise Hair and Beauty. You guys can go ahead and check it out. And after I start uploading the videos, I actually say, oh, you know, I want to do some blog video. And I was thinking like, but you are actually do, thinking to myself that you can actually do blog channel and you're shy. Oh, you can do that. And for the first couple of videos, every time I turn on my phone and I start to vlog, I like get come up. Like, I don't really know what to say or how to act in front of it, but I actually like it, like doing YouTube, like doing the videos. And I always say to myself, oh, you got to, I have to do better, but I know that because I'm shy and stuff, why every time I start, I don't really know if to say or know if to act, but I actually like being myself, being normal and stuff like that, and showing you guys like things what I do in my normal day life and stuff. I not put on an act or anything. It's just like being shy. Sometimes it's hard to like talk or say what you want to say, because you actually feel like people are going to judge you. But I just tell myself, say, sorry, guys. Just tell myself, I'm actually going to be me. Who like me will like me and take me for me. Who not like me or like what I'm saying or like what my blog is about, they will actually just don't have to watch, you know. Drinking tang, strawberry and passion. I love that. Yeah. Like I was saying, you know. So even family and friends was like, you do that, you do YouTube and you're so shy, oh you go like do that. I'm actually like, you know, maybe just take my time and ease into it and learn more as I go about doing it, because that's something I'm actually like, even like going on YouTube watching over about my videos, them at first, you know, was like, ooh. But after I just start like doing it and like seeing the videos and stuff like that, you know, and just know to myself that yeah, I'm gonna get better. So yeah, come check the van. Eh? Come check the. Yeah. They just come from school. They did not in the microwave, by the way. Is it okay? So, like I'm saying, guys, doing hair and cooking is something I like. So, I just decided to play a part of my life with you guys. Who Who love char them bone when time them eat chicken or chicken broth? Who love to char the bone? Me love to char it. You know those some people don't like it, but me I love it. No matter what I do, once they're bone in anything that I eat, I have to try it. Because I love it. I'm a bone person. Okay, I keep one of my teeth. I try bone. I'm still not stopped. So then, you see me doing the video because I'm being real, I'm being true to myself, and this is just me. I know I'm maybe not be interested to some people, or they don't actually like what they say and stuff like that, but you know, like I said, I'm just hoping my channel will grow, hoping people will start to subscribe. I know that my channel not getting a lot of subscribers or a lot of view like I would like it, but I'll just go along with the same way because I love the YouTube and I love the video, so hopefully it will take time and just build by itself, you know. I have to just not gonna have faith say it will work. So now to stop, because you know sometimes you may feel demotivated about it and say, I'm gonna stop here, I can't bother about, but actually like do it, so I don't think I'm stopping anytime soon, so you guys better come on and join me and subscribe and like up the videos, you know. Guys, this is good. Really, really good. And I say just because of me cook it, but it's nice. Don't eat. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna try to upload more regularly as well, guys. Try to upload more video. I'm not gonna say daily because I have to work and sometimes I have to go on the road, I have bills to pay, product to buy, stuff like that. So I can't do a regular daily vlog, but at least try to upload like 3-4 times a week. You know, that is one thing that I really want to try and do. But like I said, you guys can go ahead and check out my other channel, my hair channel, Denise Hair and Beauty, and maybe you would subscribe over there. So I just want to thank you guys for watching and continue to watch, continue to support me, and bye my lovelies until next time. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye. Pele.